Hey there, Mike.
Hey Tom, how are you doing?
I'm doing good, thank you.
How
You
can I
know,
help?
well, I was thinking, some of the people that are going to be using this are going to have questions and they're going to go, over. Why don't we go from this front page, this home page, over to members?
Sure. Okay.
And that's, to get there, we know they need to have the password. And of course, they wouldn't be watching this YouTube video right now if they didn't have a password because all the YouTubes are loaded on this page.
Of course
But
there's a yes.
scroll down to the where we ask you questions. Yeah, that hey Mike.
Yeah.
That whole thing is set up with questions right now in that orange kind of red down below there, and you can click on any of these. But let's talk about one, how they show them how you find a subject matter. I mean, we've got a few, subjects right now, but some of them you have to kind of look through every sentence there, every question, every answer. Is there a way to find it more quickly?
There is indeed. Yeah, sure, Tom. Okay. And actually we just scrolled slightly past where it's telling you how to do it. See at the
Okay.
top here, it dependent on whether you've got a Windows machine or whether you've got a Mac, you've got two commands. So I've got a Windows machine. If I press the Control key and the F key, you see this box has opened up here in the top right hand corner, where at the moment it says Mac and then a parenthesis. If I clear that, I type in any part of a word I want. So if I'm looking for invoice, or indeed invoicing, as I type, you'll see in yellow, we start identifying the parts of the or the answers where you can see something to do with invoicing. As another example, if it's something to do with map, we have a look here, maps for markets. How can I use a map in single or multiple markets? So that's how you do that, Tom.
Okay, so let's say I look through the list and I don't find the question that I want answered. What do I do to get an answer to a question that's not on these YouTubes yet?
Sure. Okay, let me just close this box. And then what we do is we scroll us slightly further down and we've got this box next to Ask Mike. And what we do in there is we type the question that we want the answer to. And then underneath you can see it says, answer me as follows, either email me or provide us with a video. And the likelihood is if it's a question that we think lots of people are going to want, we'll create the video and we'll put it on the bottom of our list too.
All right, let's do just an example. Let's say that I want to know how to use a service catalog. I didn't see service catalog come up.
That's a good question. We can have a look at that in a minute. Okay, so there's a simple question, and let's say I just want you to email me. I can tick in my email address at the bottom there, and then click on submit. That's now winging its way to you and me, Tom. We can sit down, have a look at it, and then we can either just answer the question if it's something specific to one particular person, or we can sit as we are now and create a video from it.
Okay. Thank you, Mike.
You're welcome, Tom.